Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background in any photo using Canva. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Canva and select a random photo. So I'm going to open a random picture here to show you how you can remove the background. So let me load this. Okay. So once you are here, so I'm going to add a picture from here. So I'm going to add a boy picture to show you the process. So we are going to select I think this image. Oh, this image has no background, so let me select. So we are going to use this image for example. Okay, then you need to click on edit photo. Once you add that, click on edit photo. Here you can see BG remover. Click on that, wait for few seconds, and after that the background will be removed. So here you can see that. So you can see how I easily remove background with Canva, but for that you need a Canva subscription, so make sure you check that as well. So this is the process how you can remove background in any photo using Canva. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.